Hey there, fellow adventurers. It's your intrepid reporter Ali77, here to spill the beans on how to invest and start your own business in beautiful Myanmar, or as we like to call it, the land of opportunities. First things first, let's talk about the investment environment. Myanmar has been opening up to foreign investors in recent years, making it a prime spot for those looking to make their mark. With a growing economy, untapped markets, and a government committed to attracting foreign investments, the opportunities are practically raining down like monsoon showers. Now, before you dive headfirst into the investment pool, there are a few things to keep in mind. Myanmar is still a developing country, so it's important to do your due diligence and understand the local business customs and regulations. Don't worry, though the locals are friendly and always willing to lend a helping hand or a bowl of delicious Mohinga soup to eager entrepreneurs like yourself. But what are the main investment opportunities, you ask? Well, hold on to your longyi, because Myanmar is booming in sectors like tourism, manufacturing, agriculture, and energy. From opening up boutique hotels in Bagan to setting up a tea plantation in the lush Shan State, the possibilities are as vast as the Irrawaddy River. Now, let's get down to the nitty-gritty of starting your own business. Registering a company in Myanmar can be a bit of a maze, but fear not. There are several pathways to choose from. You can opt for a wholly foreign-owned company, a joint venture with a local partner, or even a branch office of an existing foreign company. Just make sure to follow all the proper procedures and have a solid business plan in place. You'll be sipping tea and counting kyats in no time. When it comes to exporting goods from Myanmar, you're in luck. The country is known for its rich natural resources like jade, timber, and precious gemstones, making it a prime destination for international buyers. But hey, let's not forget about the delicious rice, textiles, and handicrafts that Myanmar is famous for. They make for great export opportunities too. On the flip side, if you're looking to import goods into Myanmar, you'll find a market hungry for everything from machinery and electronics to consumer goods. The locals have a taste for quality products, so bring in those iPhones, fashion trends, and must-have gadgets. They'll be snatched up faster than you can say mingle bar. Last but not least, let's talk about the abundant local resources that Myanmar has to offer. From its fertile farmlands to its vast reserves of natural gas and minerals, this country is a treasure trove waiting to be tapped. So whether you're into agriculture, mining, or renewable energy, Myanmar has got you covered like a traditional Thonaka face mask. So there you have it, fellow adventurers, a glimpse into the exciting world of investing and starting your own business in Myanmar. With its warm culture, stunning landscapes, and endless opportunities, it's time to pack your bags and embark on the adventure of a lifetime. Just remember to bring your sense of humor. It'll come in handy when navigating the twists and turns of the business world here. Good luck, and may your entrepreneurial spirit soar higher than Mount Popa.